Module 5 Lesson 2 Parliamentary Democracy Canada's citizens, who are part of a parliamentarian democracy, have the right of electing members of the House of Commons at Ottawa as well as representatives in the legislature of each province or territory. The elected representatives are responsible for creating laws, making decisions about expenditures, and holding government accountable. These elected representatives can hold cabinet ministers accountable. If the government loses a vote of no confidence in the legislature, it must resign. The Canadian Parliament is composed of three parts: the Queen-King, the Senate, and the House of Commons. In the provincial assemblies, there are elected assemblies as well as lieutenant governors. The Prime Minister chooses the members of the cabinet in the federal governments. Together, the Prime Minister and cabinet are responsible for the policies and actions of the federal government. The House of Commons, the portion of the federal legislature that is elected, has all its members voted by Canadians typically every 4 years. The Prime Minister gives guidance to the Governor-General when appointing senators. Senators are appointed by the Governor-General and serve until the age of 75. Bills are presented to the House of Commons, the Senate, and other relevant bodies. For a bill or proposal for a new law to be made, it needs to be approved by the majority of the House of Commons, the Senate, and given royal assent. This is done by the Governor-General, who acts as the proxy of the sovereign. Each Canadian is encouraged to participate in the democratic process. After the age of 18, every Canadian should ideally support the democratic institutions by voting in elections for federal, provincial, territorial, and municipal legislatures.